I'm Luke McKay. I'm the workshop manager here at Inland Petroleum. Here at Inland Petroleum, my favourite piece of equipment is our LM65W column lifts. We have 6 of these lifts which allow us to lift a tanker off the ground and do all our fit outs easily and effectively without being on the ground as such. We also use our 8-tonne axle stands to free up the other 2 column lifts to use on other servicing in the workshop. So the reason that we like to use the column lifts here at Inland Petroleum is when you get the trailer up to the height you want, we put our 8-tonne axle stands underneath it, which also gives us added safety, and we can use the lifts on other projects throughout the workshop.